Hello everybody, this is Jack McPhail, Astrophotographers, and this is the last video of Siril Beginner's tutorial. In this video, we're actually going to use HDR for lowering the brightness of the core. So this might be the last video of Siril Beginner's tutorial. So I'm going to try to use the dumbbell nebula as a starless images. Okay, so here's a starless image of the dumbbell nebula. And you can see it has a little wings of it and the red wings, and that's the apple core. And you want to go to like substratic, go to surface setting, browse setting, and you could click right here when it says HDR. When it pops up, so this is what you can see. It's the exact same views. You can zoom in and zoom out. I would rather zoom in a little bit. It has 5 different stages. Here's number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. So it has 10 different layers. For me, I would rather go level 3 or level 4. So it has the highlights settings as mask, gamma, and configuration. It makes like less detail, like it makes the same thing. Okay, so once you have a review, and if you're done for editing the HDR, you click to apply to siril. So this what showed up is the exact same thing, and it can easily protects the nebula core. So this is it, the last video of Siril Beginner's tutorials of processing your deep sky image. And this is how to use HDR for bringing down the brighter core nebulas. And I will see you in the next HE5Q Pro for the review. See you later, everybody.